Hi, Gabriella. It's Brittany. I look at your resume. Your resume looks good. All you have to do is put your name above your telephone number and your email address, and that's fine. And I never how the resume content looks great. Looks great. Also, I love the leadership activities and membership and your experience, but make sure you have your most recent job at the top of the list for the experience. Is there like the next one? Make sure it's the first one. And also expand the skills of your that required for the position that you're applying for. Make sure you have make sure you have objective of the position you're applying for, so your future employer can hire hire you for that job. Um, yeah, let's make it so. Let's make your skills clear, like make it explain more. Uh, but you have no spelling or grammar, so that is good. So yeah.